All right, well, thanks for coming out again today, guys. Today we're going to be working on our drivers a little bit, trying to get started on the right path, get that ball going straighter than rather than left or right. So first question I'm going to ask you guys is, what is your tendency when you're hitting your driver? Are you going left? Are you going right? Are you hitting it straight every time? Because otherwise, if you tell me what you're doing, then hopefully we'll be able to fix it today. So what's your main tendency when you're hitting your driver?
I tend to hit it too far. I go, I don't know where I'm going to go a lot of times. And if I do go straight, which I've straightened out, I don't get the distance then. My tendency probably, if I'm not straight, is I tend to push it a little bit to the right. I always go right.
Yep, I'm right too.
All right, so let's start out. I'm gonna let you guys hit a few. I'm gonna take a look at you, and then I'll kind of be pulling you guys back as a group and talking to you about a few things. And I'll be working on you a little individually as well too. And we'll try and get that ball going straight or starting on the right line. So let's all head to our spots and hit a few shots, and I'll be taking a look at you guys. All right, good. So, yep, like I said, today we're gonna be working on our irons, trying to get better contact. A lot of tendency when you're hitting iron shots is to catch a little thin, the energy experience, those thin shots I'm talking about there, where you're not getting the full face on the ball. All right, so we're gonna work on that today. I got a couple drills for you, and we're also gonna try and incorporate some of the stuff that we worked on last time, in terms of the club path and the club face. That was a little easier to do with the driver. Obviously, the driver's got a bigger head, so that was a little easier to work on last time. So while we're working on those drills, I'm still going to be watching you and trying to incorporate that now into your iron shots too. But we're also going to be working mainly on kind of making that contact and working on that weight transfer a little bit more like we did last time as well. So if we all want to go head to our stations here and hit a few shots, I'll be watching you and then I'll pull you back and we'll start talking about some things. Any mid iron, 6, 7, 8 iron, ain't nothing particular, but all right. So this is gonna be the fourth lesson of our lesson series. So thank you guys for coming out here today. Appreciate it. Um, that's April in Michigan for you. You never know what you're gonna get. 2 weeks ago we had sunny. This week is cold. So um, today we're gonna be talking about chipping, pitching, and a little bit of bunker play. So today might not be as much hands-on as the other ones will. We won't just kind of constantly be hitting the whole time. What I'm going to kind of do is I'm going to talk about some of the basics with you guys, and then we're going to kind of rotate from person to person. Hit about 4 or 5 shots, and then we'll rotate. And then at the end, we might do a couple chipping closest to the pin challenges here or something like that. So I got one question for you guys. Does anybody know the difference between a chip and a pitch?
Distance. Chip is close to the green. Pitch is further out.
Okay. Anybody else?
The amount of loft going in.
Yep. So in a chip, when you take it back, you actually kind of keep your wrists locked. You don't kind of hinge them at the top of your golf during your swing like you would during a normal golf swing. So you were right; it does kind of have to do with the loft. It does kind of have to do with distance a little bit too. So a chip is kind of going to be a lower shot. It's going to run a little longer on the green versus a chip. You're going to kind of hinge your hands a little bit during the backswing. You're going to send it a little higher. Not as much as like say a flop shot, but you do kind of hinge your wrist. It goes a little higher, doesn't run on the green as long. So we're going to work on both those today, and then we're going to kind of move into the bunker. We're going to talk about a couple of basics with the bunker. Obviously, the bunker shot's one of the harder shots in golf. A lot of people have a problem with it. So we're going to work on that today.